Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
Remember, I always love you.
Let's start. This video is continued from my last video. If you haven't watched that video, link is given in the description. So after downloading that photo which NASA took when you were born, open CapCut. Go to New Project. Add your photo and a NASA photo. Select Format 9:16. Adjust photo to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set first photo to 3.1 seconds. Set second photo till the end of audio. Now write text. Go to text and write the picture NASA took when I was born. Place the text wherever you want. Apply text layer till the end of first photo. Now write second text from starting of second photo. Go to text and write your date of birth. Go to Style and choose White Background Style. Now, give space from both sides to make a full screen white background. Now place on top of the photo. Now apply text layer till the end of photo. Now check video. Now, select resolution and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.